channel where the branding is dramatic lip syncing and never knowing if our camera's in focus or not. Today I'm gonna spice it up a little bit by doing my upside down eye makeup upside down. Everyone has seen the video NikkieTutorials did where she made it look like one of her eyes was flipped upside down. So of course I had to hop on the bandwagon. I decided, you know what, let's not try that. But then I thought of another video where Glam&Gore did her makeup upside down, from like upside down off of her couch or whatever. So I decided, you know what, let's not, make it doubly upside down. So I'm going to be attempting to do my makeup upside down. I will be taking breaks every now and then so I don't die of too much blood rushing to my brain. So let's get into it. I'm back from my attempt of concealing my eyebrow, and so now I'm just going to be doing my eyebrow that will be right side up as I normally do. Still don't know why I'm out of breath. I hope the camera is fixed now because it'd be very awful if not. Okay. So, not really sure what I got myself into trying to do this because it's not as simple as I thought it was going to be. For one, I'm positive I should have used a different chair, one that supported the back more. Honestly, just like my last video, I don't think the challenge will really come until I have to do the eyes. I'm not really sure what to talk about when I do these more chit-chatty videos. Nothing has really interesting happened. Let's think. Oh, I did make a vlog channel, which I'm pretty sure I had mentioned that while I was filming my last video. Somehow the footage did not make it, so I made a vlog channel. There's only one vlog on there right now because my life is pretty chill. I don't really have anything to vlog, so I kind of just vlog when I have things to vlog. I have thought of some other ideas that I guess I might do other challengey type stuff on there. So there's some other stuff I'm planning that should be up on there that hopefully will be entertaining content. Is it break time yet? I should have brought a fan in here. So I'll just be blending this out underneath as I would. Okay. So now for the eye look. On the first eye, I will be taking Ecstasy from the Venus 3 palette, which is a dark purple, and I'll just start plucking that in the crease. And odd enough, for whatever reason, I thought that this was a brown before, and so when one day I was trying to go for a grungy brown eye makeup look, a whole makeup look, and I put it on and I was like, this is not brown. And so kind of on the topic of vlog channels, you should comment down below what type of vlogs you do. I guess it's kind of weird because this is not my vlog channel. Okay, I think it's time for a breakdown. Ooh. since I'm going to be attempting to be doing a like kind of sunsetty thing, I will be going into I think, yeah, like red and pink. Oh my god. An eyeshadow cracked. Put that on top of the purple. This is so difficult. Now that we have our red, we're gonna go into the NYX Ultimate Bright eyeshadow palette and go into a nice hot pink. Orange. We're going to be going in mostly with the yellow orange in the palette. Dipping it in a little bit in the dark orange, and then we're gonna put that on top of the pink. Just try blending those all together, and then we're gonna attempt to cut the crease. Always cut crease. Like normally I try really hard to like not move my eyelid out. This time it's kind of like inevitable. Blend that out. And then we're gonna take another break. So now that we have done the cut crease, I will be going into a different palette for the orange. We're gonna go into the shiny palette I always use, the Bold and Brights Vivid Color Collection thingy, whatever it's called. There's one very bright orange we're going to use, so I'm just going to apply it onto the lid. We're going to go back in with that purple from the Venus 3 palette, and then we're going to apply that on the outer part of the lid. I'm going to use this like corally pink shade called Bliss from the Venus 3 palette. I'm going to take Paradise from the Venus 3 palette, and we're gonna put that on top of Bliss. Eyeliner pencil from Wet n Wild, and add a little bit of definition. Now for the fun part that'll probably make me hate myself. We're gonna go in with this blue eyeliner. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Paints eyeliner. Okay, so I'm probably gonna go ahead, do the other eye, speed that up, and then come back to you when it's time for lashes. Okay, so to do this brow, I'm using a brown eyebrow pencil first to try to draw the eyebrow shape. Okay, so right now I'll just be outlining the shape of the brow, and then I'll be using the brow powder, and then I'll be drawing the strokes with the dip brow. To being done at the same time, so far away from being done, and I don't really like that feeling. Okay, oh boy, after this you only have to do contouring and highlighting and stuff. Then the lips, and I'll finally be done because I've been filming this for like 3 to 5 hours and my back hurts. I'm pretty sure I need to visit a chiropractor after this. Don't try this at home. Now that we finally got the lashes on, whew, to try to bust through this. We almost there. So I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette as usual. I'm using a lighter color, and then go again with a darker color. The fancy blush from the Profusion Pro Face palette. And just like Nikki did, I'm treating my forehead as my cheek. And my favorite highlighter, the Wet n Wild Precious Petals. Oh, thank goodness. Outro time! So that concludes this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Click the notification bell down below to keep up with when I post. If you know the number of a very good chiropractor, holla at your girl because I'm definitely gonna need it. And I will see you next time. Peace out.